Hi Diva lovers, and welcome back to the Queen of the Craft Room. My name is Kay Young, as in yeah you know it, young forever. In today's video I'll be doing a Valentine floating candle slash flower vase or vase, however you pronounce it. But before we get into our video, I want to wish everyone a happy new year. Wishing every day of the new year filled with success, health, prosperity, and happiness for you all. For my old subscribers, thank you for stopping by. For my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And don't forget, guys, to turn your notification bell on so each time I upload, you'll be the first to know. And don't forget to leave me a comment, share, and subscribe. With all of that said, let's go DIY. Okay, my Diva lovers, so here is our supply. I got these two vases from the thrift store. Of course, 50% off. This one was $6.99. And I get it off price. This one was $5.99. Get it off price. I don't know if you can see it. I love it. It's beautiful. Now, since we're doing a Valentine, you're gonna need some beads. Anytime I see these, I pick them up from the Dollar Tree. And I don't know if you guys know, but some state, not all, like in Florida, our Dollar Tree is $1.25. I got these are my white beads. I got these a long time before they raised. Now I got some floating candles, some red floating candles. I guess these was for Christmas, but I didn't use them for Christmas, of course, as you see. So I'm gonna use them for my Valentine. So I get the white, and these are the regular floating candles. These are the regular floating candles. I also get me some flowers. And these are the tea tree. I got the two pink. And what is red and pink, I guess. And some eucalyptus. These I got them from Walmart for last year, which I didn't use them, and I said, yeah, these are nice to put in a vase. Okay, so what we're gonna do, so go ahead and clean your glass. I already cleaned mine. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, this one is real simple, real simple, and I didn't want to put anything in it because trust me, I'm gonna reuse this again because I love it so much. I'm gonna reuse it again. So what I'm gonna do is just put this big one here with this one in the bottom of the bowl. Okay, we're gonna put in some gems. We're gonna do color gems. Not color, red and white. I'm gonna do some red and white. I should have stirred up. I should have red, white. I like to have a layer, but anyway, you know what I'm talking about. You can do, if you want, you can do something like that. Okay, nice. Now what I'm gonna do is put the roses down the bottom. Should I go ahead and take out the tags? I don't feel like too much work. I'm gonna stuck them down in the bottom. As I said, this is real simple. Real simple. Okay. We're gonna get these. Put one over here. Normally get my flowers from okay, so we have something looking like this. It's a little bit tall. So what I did is just go ahead and cover the tags. I honestly feel like taking out my time. Too much work. And you know I'm lazy. So that's what I did. I just go ahead and cover the tags, and I put 2 other eucalyptus in the middle. That's it. Now what I'm gonna do is put some gems down the bottom as well. Okay guys, this is what we're looking like. Can you guys see? Oh, God, I'm having a problem with my lights. I don't want it too bright. Okay, we'll leave it like that. Now I'm going to take the floating candles. I'm going to put them inside. So we have 2 whites. Now what I'm worried about is when I light it, I'm gonna catch my flowers on fire. But we'll see. Yeah? I should put a water in there first, right? Yeah. And then put in the candle. I think. Okay, I'm gonna put some water in there first. Oh Lord. This one fell out. I'm gonna put some water in there first. Put it on display. and let you guys see, okay? But this is how it looks. I kind of like it. Okay, this is what it looks like. So it's a floating vase slash flower vase. Floating vase slash flower vase. I like it. Now what I'm scared of, to be honest with you, is I think I'll let it burn all night. But isn't this a cute setting for a candlelight Valentine's dinner in the center? That is so cute. Okay guys, so if you like, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this floating candle vase slash flower vase. So until then guys, until I see you in my next video, stay safe, be well, and I'll see you next time.